Hello guys, let us learn how to make Canva mood board. Open your browser and go to the Canva. As you have opened the website of Canva, click on the options of templates. After that you have clicked on the option for templates, on the top of your screen there is a search bar. Search for mood board. You can select any template from these thousands of beautiful templates. Click on Customize. As you have clicked on the customized option, now here you can change the style or font of the template. You can also edit or add your customized text and change style or the font. As you have changed the style of your customized text, click on the elements option, and now you can add different pictures from these many pictures. Simply just click on it and drag to the frame. You can also share this beautiful design with anyone you want to. Just add the Gmail and click on the send option. You have shared your beautiful design with the person you wanted to. It's that simple. That is it for today, guys, and let us meet in the next tutorial. Thank you.